Lazada, one of the biggest e-commerce group in the Southeast Asian marketplace, has been setting a milestone every year since 2012. With Alibaba having the controlling stake in the firm, Lazada is being backed by huge support and is doing quite well. It took 9 years for Lazada to become Southeast Asia's biggest e-commerce marketplace. Let's have a look at how Lazada took its step forward year by year to reach the peak. In 2012, Lazada started out its operations in Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, and Vietnam. The same year, Lazada also opened up with the first fulfillment center in Bangkok, and December 2012 accounted for Lazada's first ever online revolution campaign. In 2014, with its expanding wing, Lazada expanded its reach in the Hong Kong for the cross-border trade. The same year gifted Lazada with 3 more achievements. 2016 was the year when Lazada's potential grabs the eyes of China's e-commerce tycoon Jack Ma, the co-founder and chairman of Alibaba Group. Alibaba put in the controlling stake of 83% in Lazada. The year 2018 is also called as the year of e-commerce for the Southeast Asian region. Well, Lazada also did quite well being in the game. With the year being started by Alibaba's huge 2 billion investment, Lazada keeps up throughout the year, making milestone on its ways. Lazada organized its first ever super brand day featuring MAC Cosmetics, opened up Last Star Academy with Taobao and Alibaba as its partner for strengthening the networks of certified sellers. Lazada's journey has been quite interesting and has left us with the moral of never looking back and to be firm and unafraid of taking risks. We at eCommerce provide online services including web store development, integration, and much more relating to the e-commerce sector. Who knows, the next Lazada can be you. You can visit our website www.setcommerce.com for more details or contact us at support@setcommerce.com.